To start or stop background intelligent transfer service in Windows 11 Home, right-click on Start menu icon, and then select Computer Management. Next, click or tap Services and Application drop-down menu. Tap or click Services, and then right-click on Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Next, tap Start to start or like Stop to stop. Transfer files in the background using idle network bandwidth. If the service is disabled, any application that depend on bits such as Windows Update or MSN Explorer will be unable to automatically download programs and other information. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.